learned in the last class? Yes. Work and energy. Yes. Do you remember that? What is the SI unit of work? Is joule. What is the SI unit of energy? Joule. Yes. And also we have learned types of energy. What are the types of energy we have learned? Potential energy and kinetic energy. Yes. When we have to find work, what is the formula we have to use? Force into distance. And to find the kinetic energy, what is the formula? 1 by 2 into m into v square. M is the mass of an object, v is the speed of object. Yes. And to find the potential energy, mgh. M is the mass of object, g is the acceleration due to gravity, h is the height of object. Okay. Today we can study about conversion of kinetic and potential energies. Conversion, it will be convert. Okay, potential energy and kinetic energy, it will be converting to each other. Okay, let's see a few examples. First ones in simple machine, next one in roller coaster, next one in a hydroelectric plant, hydroelectric power plant. Okay, first one is how we will consider the kinetic energy and potential energy. It will be convert each other. Yes, we can see a first example. When we use the simple machine, how we will find the kinetic energy and potential energy. Listen, we have to tie a bob. This is the iron bob. Okay, it has weight. So it is an iron bob. It will be fixed with a rope. Okay, this is the rope fixed with the iron bob. Okay, then this is the mean position. That means before starting the simple machine. Okay, before simple pendulum. This is the simple pendulum. Before starting this, it will be, the bob will be in its position. Yes, this is the O point. Okay, then when you have to keep the bob this side, it will be in position. Yes, before starting the arrow, before shooting the bow and arrow, what we have to do? Before shoot, we have to keep the arrow in the bow. Yes, we have to keep ready to shoot. Yes, for that, in the simple pendulum, we have to keep the bob in this place. Okay, before releasing it, it will take a height of an object. Okay, so in that object, it has height and mass also. So this is the, it will be take the position, its position. So it is called potential energy, and also it is taken height. So when the object will be taken height with position, what is that? Gravitational potential energy. Yes, it has height also. So it is gravitational potential energy. When we release the bob here, the bob will be moved from in the middle to next change. Okay, it will be moved here and there, front and back. Okay, so when the bob will be come in middle, it has kinetic energy with speed, because the bob will be moved very speed. Okay, so this is the maximum kinetic energy. We can find here maximum kinetic energy, but potential energy is 0, because it will be not taken position. When the bob will be turning or rotating, it will be not take its position. Okay, always the bob will be moved. It is moving faster in this area. Okay, so the kinetic energy is maximum and potential energy is 0. And this bob will be turned this place. Okay, when the bob will be come here, the object will be take its position here. Okay, after that again it will be come back. So in this position it has potential energy. maximum. Okay, it has maximum potential energy and kinetic energy is 0. Okay, so when the bob will be checked both sides has potential energy, kinetic potential energy, because it has maximum height. Okay, height with maximum potential energy. But in the bob will be move in middle, it has speed and kinetic energy. But here no potential energy, it has maximum velocity, speed and kinetic energy also maximum. Okay, again the bob will be moved here and there. Again this both sides it has maximum gravitational potential energy with height. But in this position without height it will take the speeds and maximum velocity and also it takes the maximum kinetic energy. Again the kinetic energy and potential energy can change it from here to there. Okay, so the kinetic energy and potential energy converting to each other. This is the one example. Already we know the potential energy and kinetic energy are called mechanical energy. Yes. So in the simple pendulum we have potential energy and kinetic energy. So the mechanical energy is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. It is a constant level. Okay, constant volume or constant level. Next one is, next example in a roller coaster. How the potential energy and kinetic energy will be converted to each other in roller coaster ride. Okay, this is the point A. Okay, the cart is on the height of roller coaster ride. Okay, one part is on the height of roller coaster ride. Okay, in this area the potential, because it has height. Okay, so in this area potential energy is maximum. Okay, potential energy is maximum but kinetic energy is minimum, 0. Okay, potential energy is maximum, kinetic energy is 0 or minimum because it has height. Okay, see, after moving the cart from A to B in this area, okay, from A to B, the potential energy, okay, the potential energy will be decreasing because the cart is moving. Okay, when the cart will be moved, potential energy level will be decreasing, the kinetic energy will be increased. Okay, the kinetic energy is increasing, potential energy will be decreasing. Okay, then in this level, in C level, the cart will be move fast. Okay, when the cart is moving from B to C, in this area, the cart will be move fast with the speed. So, here kinetic energy is maximum. Okay, maximum kinetic energy, potential energy is minimum or 0. Okay, potential energy is minimum, kinetic energy is maximum. From the C level, the cart is moving up again. Okay, because here height is high but here height is low. Listen here. From C, the cart is moving from here to here. In this area, the level of kinetic energy will be decreasing. Okay, because the speed going to reduce. Okay, the cart speed is going to reduce. So, the kinetic energy is decreasing. In this position, potential energy will be increased. Okay, here potential energy is decreasing, kinetic energy going to increase. Here kinetic energy increases, kinetic energy decreases and potential energy increases. In this level, potential energy is maximum, kinetic energy is minimum. Okay, like this place and this place. Okay, see, potential energy is maximum with height. Here also potential energy is maximum with height. Kinetic energy is minimum. Here also kinetic energy is minimum. In this area, the cart will be move fast with speed. So, kinetic energy is So the mechanical energy will be kinetic energy plus potential energy is equal to same part. Okay, is constant or same part. Next, another one example is in a hydroelectric plant, how the kinetic energy and potential energy will be changed. Listen here. Next example is in hydroelectric plant. Listen here. This is the imagination picture. Okay. The water stored in a dam. Okay. Water stored in a dam. So which energy will be considered here? Potential energy. Yes. Potential energy considered here. From this water flows to the turbine or generator. Okay. Flowing of water, it will be end with generator. Okay. So the water will be flowing. Yes. In which energy will be considered here? Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy will be considered because the water is flowing. Okay. Next one is that this is the generator. The water will be move on it. Kinetic energy converts to mechanical energy into the generator because the turbines will be spins. It will be rotate. It has generator or machines. Okay, so kinetic energy convert into mechanical energy. After doing spins, then generator spins, turbine spins. Okay. Then after that it will the mechanical energy changes into electrical energy by generators. Okay, mechanical energy changes into electrical energy by using the generator. These are the transmission lines transport the electricity to the different types of uses at homes, factories, shops, big buildings. Okay, so different types of many energy changes here. These are the transmission line transport the electricity from the hydroelectric power plant. Okay, from here only using the water they are making the electricity. Okay, it will get the electricity from the hydroelectric power plant. So this electricity people will be changed into sound energy, light energy, then mechanical energy, okay, chemical energy. It will be used in transmission in different types of energies. So here also we have potential energy changes into kinetic energy, then kinetic energy will be changes into mechanical energy, then again it will be converted into electrical energy, again it will be converted into sound energy, heat energy. Okay, so these are the transmission of energy. Okay, this is the third example of conversion of kinetic energy and potential energy. These are the energy transformation called law of conservation of energy. Okay, law of conservation of energy. That means one form of energy changes into another form of energy, or one form of energy transformed into another form of energy. Okay, it will be not created a new energy. Only one form of energy will be changes into another form of energy. This energy changes into another form or transport into another form. Okay, it will be not create into new. For example, when we use the electricity in television, the electrical energy changes into sound energy or heat energy. Okay, light energy. Then when we use the electricity in mixer, what will be the electricity? Like electrical energy changes into mechanical energy and sound energy. Okay, these are the different types of machines are there. When we are using these types of machines, one type of energy changes into another type of energy. Then by heating the plants will get the light energy from the sun. Okay, after creating the own food, plants will be changes into chemical energy. By eating people, the chemical energy changes into another type of energy. Okay, so different forms of energy will be changed into application in solar cells, solar panels, yes, in the digestion of food, everything, one form of energy changes into another form of energy. Next one is power. Power is the amount of work done per unit time. Okay, how much amount of work should be done in that object? The amount of work done per unit time within 1 second or 1 minute. How much work is done? We have to count the or converting the energy also. Okay, P is equal to work done divided by time. P is equal to power is equal to work by time. Instead of work, we can write energy. So, work and energy is same. Okay, power is equal to work divided by time or energy divided by time. What is the SI unit of power? SI unit of power is equal to watt. Okay, this is the scientist name. Okay, watt. So, what is the SI unit of power? SI unit of power is equal to watt or J by second, joule by second. Instead, energy, SI unit of energy is equal to J and SI unit of time is equal to second. So that J by S, joule by second. Okay, power is equal to work or energy by time. What is the SI unit of power? J per second. Okay. Next one is, in different types of machines will be described by different power of rating. Okay, different types of machines described by different power rating. One type of machine is a small. It will be considered the unit kilowatt. Okay, or megawatt. Kilowatt or megawatt. In a factory, it has used big type of machine. Okay, in that machine we can find the SI unit horsepower, HP. This is the horsepower. This is the biggest unit we have to use in. This is the amount of power we have to mention or we have to describe in HP. Okay, horsepower. What is this? Horsepower. This is the biggest amount of power rate. Okay, so power is the amount of work done per unit time. Different types of bulbs used to different types of different amount of power or different amount of energy or electrical power. Okay, in LED bulb, tube light. Okay, different types of bulbs has different types of amount of power in watt. To the problem now. First question, a machine does 392 joule of work in 4 seconds. What is the power of the machine? Okay, we have to find the power. Solution. What is the formula to find the power? Power is equal to work divided by time. Listen here. Work. A machine does 392 joule of work. So, what is the work now? Or energy. We can consider work as energy. Okay, so 392 joule divided by time. What is the time here? 4 seconds. Okay, 4 seconds. We have to divide these numbers. 392 by 4. 1 4 is 4, then 9 4s are 36. 36 after 3 balance, 32. So, 8 4s are 32. How much here? 98. 98. What is the unit of power? Watt. So, power is equal to 98 watts. Okay, this is the answer. Next one. An electric kettle of power 2 kilowatts is used for 1 minute. Find the energy supplied by the kettle. We have to find the energy here. Solution. What is the formula of power? Power is equal to work by time. Here consider energy. So instead of work we have to write energy, E. Okay. So from here we have to find the energy. E or G. Energy is equal to power into time. Power into time. Did you understand this? Listen. Now we have to substitute the value here. Power. How much here? 2 kilowatts. Okay. Instead of 2 kilowatt, we have to write kilo means 1000. So 2 into 1000 watts. How much? 2000 watts. Okay. Instead of kilo, we have to multiply with 1000. Okay. So here 2000 watts into time. 1 minute. Then we have to find the power. We have to consider this is second. Okay, here minute is said. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we have to write here 60 seconds. Then multiply these numbers. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 0, 12. Okay. What is the unit here? Joule. Listen here. Now 1,20,000 joule. Okay. Energy. We have considered the answer. Energy. Listen. We have 1 or 2 problems more than here in our book. You should try it. Okay. Weekly exam. We will give different types of questions. Not from the book. We have to give different numbers. Okay. So we have